Some people say a man is made out of mud. All man's made out of muscle and blood, and skins and bones. A mind that weaks and a life that's strong. You load 16 tons, and what do you get? Not a day older and deeper in debt. Say, Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company's tour. I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. I picked up my shovel and I walked to the mine. I got 16 tons of the number 9 coal. And the store boy said, well, bless my soul. You load 16 tons, and what do you get? Not a day older and cheaper in debt. So don't you call me, 'cause I can't let go. I owe my soul to the company's toll. I was born one morning, it was drizzling rain. Fighting and trouble on a middle lane. I was raised in the Camry by my own mama land. Can't no high-tone woman make me want